Almost all Japanese elementary schools provide lunch for their pupils. These are carefully designed for nutritional balance. As the children eat their meal, the teacher gives a simple explanation of its nutritional content. We eat these little fish whole, including the bones, because they have lots of calcium. Why is calcium good for us? It helps our bones grow strong. That's right. I learned a lot about nutrition today. I think this is going to be very useful to me after I grow up. The children learn about their food and how to choose a balanced diet. Shokuiku, or food education, is being heavily promoted these days. Professional Washoku chefs are sometimes invited to give Shokuiku classes. Washoku, or traditional Japanese cuisine, is good for health. It has been recognized as a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. Today, the children are learning about dashi, the stock that's the basis of miso soup. Kombu seaweed gives the soup umami. Umami is produced by simmering certain kinds of seaweed, seafood, or vegetables. Miso soup is so familiar to the children, they are surprised by all the techniques and ingredients needed to make it. I learned how to use different combinations of things to make dashi and the ways it makes food tastier. Shokuiku classes also teach children about traditional Japanese approaches to cooking and food. Washoku is more than just a cuisine. It contains so much of our Japanese culture. These classes are a great way to teach the traditional understanding of life as well as food. This nursery school is for children up to 6 years old. Shokuiku lessons cover everything from how food is produced to how it's consumed. Food education gives children the knowledge and skills they'll need to function properly in society as adults. Topics range from growing and cooking food to how to properly serve and eat it. Rice is the staple food of the Japanese. These nursery school children plant their own rice and care for it until it's ready to harvest 6 months later. With their newly harvested rice, they learn to make rice balls, discovering for themselves the difficulties and the joys of growing food. The children make the side dishes too. I love cooking! They learn cooking techniques like cutting, stir frying, and deep frying. And they're taught how to serve themselves. Eating habits acquired at an early age stay with us all our lives. Hearing my son say how confident he was in today's class really makes me feel how quickly he's growing up. Food education in Japanese schools is helping improve the nation's diet. Teaching children basic knowledge about food and instilling desirable eating habits, Shokuiku classes lay a good foundation for health in adult life.